In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a cell in Smartsheet. Wrapping text is really helpful when you're working with longer descriptions, notes, or comments, and you don't want your columns to become extremely wide. Instead of your text running off the edge of the cell, wrapping will automatically move it onto multiple lines so everything stays visible and easy to read. To get started, open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account, then navigate to the sheet where you want to adjust the text. In this example, we're working in a project sheet for a website redesign, but the process is exactly the same no matter what kind of sheet you're using. Once your sheet is open, locate the specific sheet or tab you want to work in and click into it. Here we're opening the sheet called Website Redesign Phase 1. Go ahead and click on that name in your Smartsheet home or from your list of sheets so it opens in the main grid view. Now that the sheet is open, find the cell that contains the text you want to wrap. This might be a task name, a description, or any cell with a longer sentence that's currently cut off. Click directly on that cell to highlight it. You should see the blue outline appear around the cell, showing that it's selected. With the cell highlighted, look toward the top toolbar of Smartsheet. You'll see options that are similar to what you'd find in a regular spreadsheet program, like font choices, alignment, and formatting buttons. Among those, there is an option for wrapping text. Click the Wrap Text button while your cell is still selected. As soon as you click that, the text inside the cell will automatically adjust. Instead of stretching the column, Smartsheet will keep the column width the same and push the extra text down onto a new line within the same cell. This makes the row taller but keeps your layout clean and much easier to scan. If your text still looks cut off, you may need to slightly adjust the row height by dragging the row border down, or double-check that the correct cell is selected before applying the wrap. You can repeat this same process for any other cells where the text is running long. And that's all there is to it. You've now wrapped text in a Smartsheet cell, making your information clearer and your sheet much easier to read.